Good morning, everybody. It's Charlie over at Naples Boat Mart, sharing the newest arrival in the used department. Here is going to be a 2017 Grady-White Freedom 275. Very nice condition. Equipped with outriggers, dome radar on the hardtop here. Twin Yamaha 150s with around 380 hours on them. Going to be getting a fresh 100-hour service here through our service department. So it is ready to go for the next owner. Some nice custom painted engines there on the back. Quick little walk around. Jump inside here. It's going to have some mooring covers as well. Aft curtain, bow cover. Very clean, plenty of seating. Freedom 275 offers a little bit of fishing, a little bit of comfort. Slide out electric portside lounger here. Nice wet bar setup, freshwater sink, plenty of storage, trash can. All the bells and whistles here at the helm. Garmin MFD, Fusion stereo. Well-appointed head, overboard discharge, waste holding tank. Cushions are in phenomenal shape. Port and starboard side storage underneath both these seats. Set up your table right here on the bow. And I'll walk through to the windlass. Super clean. Windlass controls here on the bow. Front shot. It's the Garmin dome radar. It is here at Naples Boat Mart available. Again, dealer owned trade. Going to be getting that fresh 100-hour service, ready for its next owner. Not a whole lot to do to this one. Anybody has any questions, my contact information is always available on my YouTube page. Please feel free to reach out. This will be posted on all our platforms, website, Facebook as well.